Yo, what up guys? It's your boy Daniel Mine 95. Today I'm here at Markham Park. I just filmed the intro for you guys, but the mic wasn't on. So I had to do the whole intro again. And this is my first time here, never been here before. It's at Markham Park in like Weston in Florida, like 20 minutes from where I live, and I've never been here. And I've lived around this area for like 3 to 4 years. But yeah, I'm going back to my car like I said and getting my knee pads. And yeah, hope today's adventure will be cool and entertaining for you guys. Thought I would just record it, so yeah, here it is guys. Some nice pump track. Oh yeah, there's the beauty. Oh, just ran over some sand. Yeah, the whip. We got Damien's whip. We got my whip. We got the famous whip, Cameron's whip, the coolest whip out of ours, I'm not even gonna lie. We got the Mercedes rims. And then we got Warren's whip. You know, pretty cool whip. Yeah, you know. Ba-bam. Alright, I'm gonna put these on. Alright guys, so I also just got the handle for the camera too, so that was important. Yeah, this is the new whip, but can't give too much details because it's not complete. And I want to do a bike check for the next video. Yo, vlogging and freaking riding this is hard because it's like rocky trails. I mean, yeah, it's like mostly adult and mountain bikes. It's not even meant for like BMX bikes, but we just decided like, hey, something different to ride, because when do you ever see me ride trails or like a pump track? Never, exactly. So yeah, watch this. Alright guys, so I'm back at the trails. I'm with Warren.
Danny's not riding.
I'm barely riding.
He said, I'm good.
These are it though. Mountain bike stuff. Oh yeah. Yeah. What up, Zach?
The small one.
And we got Cameron. You already know. Can I see a lap?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Because when I trick him, I don't clear him.
No, just hit him.
I'll just hit him. Yeah.
But
Yo,
which
he's
side,
about
the
to
left
hit
or
him.
right?
What do you want?
He's about to hit him, bro.
Right
up to you.
Tell me.
What?
Tell me.
Damien's going backwards. He said, fuck you.
Ride that shit backwards, okay? I guess I'll go on the right. Ride it backwards, okay. Alright.
He's from Canada. They do everything backwards.
You
Yeah.
guys all got mountain bike classes?
Nah.
We'll see. Call me tricks as I'm going.
Whip.
No.
Pussy. That wasn't a trick. There you go. He's not landing transition.
Tuck no hander.
Be like, yo, I want to see a trick Cameron.
Squatting even harder. Choo. Got that nice seat.
Nobody even sits on that seat.
No even side. Oh yeah, you already know, man. Yeah, you already know, man. Your boy Soup.
It's gonna be like that other video you had.
Yo, can I get a feature in this music video, bro?
You already know, man.
Get some clout, bro.
Yeah.
That's what you're doing over here. Fucking
Yeah.
Swap what?
Facts.
Soupin.
Soupin.
What's his name? My Super Michael, bitch. And that boy got a
Right? Can I film this?
Of course, bro.
that shit look live.
Yeah.
You go for it, bro. You put my fucking Instagram in there right there, bro. And the little tattoo shit.
Remember when this man just started?
Yo.
You remember when I had like only the snake, bro?
Yeah, dude.
Crazy.
Literally. And
I'm
you
doing
had
my
the
whole
Florida
That boy got his almost a leg too. That man tripping.
Yeah, I freehanded that shot too, like 2 seconds ago.
Yo.
Hey, hit my dog up. The man do tattoos, my dog do, you know.
And he does it on himself.
Yeah, that's the crazy part. What I did.
Oh, more work. Yo, from your boy
My dog did that.
Michael.
My dog did that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
these trails
crazy,
are
yo.
fucking dope, bro.
Yo, what's your Instagram real quick?
Michael Alvarez BMX, bro.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna put it right there.
Put on my helmet, bro.
Oh shit, that'll be fire.
Go. Not even snap for the one.
It's not even
Ooh!
Who's that?
Yo, that was sick. I peeped that.
Clean.
Clean.
That shit. I wish I could do that shit, man.
Hell yeah,
Shit.
for real. Oh my god! Yo, buddy, he knows case the second one. The one just right there.
Go back now.
I don't know how.
See that? That's complicated.
I don't know how to do it. You gotta ask Danny.
My God.
But he blew out his legs when he hit
What
it.
the fuck was that? All I heard was a loud ass pop.
Almost died. I didn't.
Where's that best place?
I feel like that way is the best way. Just don't go fast. What is wrong with you, bro? Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Dude, why do you do that, bro?
What do you mean?
Why do you do that?
went soft.
No, man.
We'll see you next time.
Dude, we made it here in 3 minutes.
Right? Oh, shit. One.
Alright, bro. Thank you for everything.
To my job, bro.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. I'm just kidding. So I gotta do breakfast. I have to do everything.
Alright, bro. Have a good day.
Bye.
Peace, bro.
Are you filming?
Yeah. That was crazy.